Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. So I just finished filming a makeup look and wanted to do a little bit more of a chatty, just hanging out type video. So that's what today is going to be all about. I wanted to do the what's in my bag video. Not sure if anybody even cares about these anymore. Let me know in the comments down below if you give a shit. But it used to be a really big classic iconic YouTuber type video to do back in the day, and I just felt like doing it because I haven't done it yet. And you know what, fuck it. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it and leave me comments down below. I absolutely love hearing from you. Let's fucking do it. So I have two main bags right now. I always have two bags, depends on the situation, whether I need something quick and small and just the essentials, or a little bit more, you know what I mean? So this is my everyday just grab it and go bag. Jenny actually just got me this for Christmas. I love it so much. You guys know the store in the mall called Icing? It's it's kind of like a cheesy accessory store. This is where this bag is from. So far I've gotten two extremely cute bags from Icing, and they're 20 bucks. So fake leather, a little fake suede at the top. I added the pins, of course. I really like to get cheap black generic bags and then kind of zhuzh it up with keychains and pins. So these particular ones are from Cadabra. I'm wearing sweatpants, but you get the gist. It hangs right there. I can slip my phone, some lipstick, my wallet, and just be out the door, be done with it. Love this freaking purse, and I had to give it an honorable mention because it's my go-to and because Jenny got it for me. This is my latest edition that I'm how freaking cute is this? I love mini backpacks. I'm just gonna say it. I love them. Might have a problem because I think I have at least 3. But this is my latest one, and this is an absolute steal. A little fake leather mini backpack that I got from Walmart for $13, people. $13. I put the pins on, of course, and the little keychain is also from Cadabra. How cute is that? You can just get a cute, really cheap bag from somewhere like Icing or Walmart, or I've gotten some cute ones from Sears, but they don't tend to last long. This one feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like that fake leather that's gonna eventually peel away on jackets and stuff. So I was like, do I need another mini backpack? No. Am I gonna get it because it's only $13 and it feels really good? It feels decent quality. Yes. So keys, obviously. Another little Cadabra keychain, pocket knife, because you never know when you're gonna need to use these little mini scissors in here. Cut something, what else do we have in here? Let's see. Gotta stay prepared, here we go. You're gonna want to always make sure to have a nice solid metal flask for water, coffee, juice. This is a cute little mirror on one side, and then the other side is a little light up phone clamp thingy, and then you can change the brightness and the temperature. I got this from Amazon. It's pretty convenient if you think you're gonna want to take pictures with your friends while you're out. You've got the mirror on one side and then the light on the other, and you can recharge it with a regular Android charger. Probably the most exciting thing about this whole video, my latest most prized possession, my freaking wallet. I know, right? So if I even only just want to bring even less stuff than the little purse down there, I'll actually just bring this wallet. This is some weird magic trick where I just keep pulling out smaller and smaller bags. No, it's not. This is my latest obsession. This wallet was given to me by my friend Avelina Demore, who has her own boutique too, and she sells the most amazing purses and bags. So she hooked me up with this absolutely gorgeous wallet that's a collab with Death Candy. I'm sure you guys have heard of her on Instagram. Open it up, you've got all my cards in there. Comes with a cute little mirror right here. Adorable little moon dangly doodad. You've got 2 little compartments there, and then like a little change pocket type thingy. The reason why I absolutely love this is because it's like a clutch. I can just bring it with me if I'm just going to the grocery store. And where's my phone? It can fit my phone. My phone is humongous. And check this out. Bada bing, you're done. You've just got one thing with all your stuff in it. And how adorable is that? I'm absolutely obsessed. Sunnies. These are the studded sunnies from Cadabra, which are like my go-to. It's my absolute favorite style. They just look badass. I always make sure to have a eyelash case thing in my purse at all times if I'm going out with eyelashes, because I'll get irritated with my lashes and like want to take them off at the end of the night. Sometimes get really tempted to just like rip them off and like, you know, stick them to the dashboard or like throw them out the window or put them in my pocket. So make sure to have something to put your lashes in that isn't going to squish them. And then the next day when, you know, you wake up, or the next week after you've recovered and, you know, you're doing your makeup, you're going to be glad that you didn't throw away or ruin your lashes. Hand sanitizer. Pretty self-explanatory. I always make sure to have a few of my favorite like nude lippies in my bag at all times, just in case. I have been in that situation where I'm about to go out and, you know, hang out with people and my lip has worn away and I don't have anything to touch it up with. This sounds extremely dramatic. It's a little embarrassing to be going out and about and your lipstick is all messed up. So I always like to make sure that I have some nudes in my bag. These particular ones, this is Kat Von D Bow and Arrow, and then Atomic Makeup Essex. I also like to have a gloss. This is the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. This stuff is really nice. It's like really thick. It feels like a treatment, and it you don't have to keep reapplying over and over again. And it's really thick and it just stays on there. I really like that. Eyelash glue. If I'm wearing falsies, I like to bring some eyelash glue. This one is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. It's a clear lash glue. It's small, easy to carry around. Comes with a little brush on thingy, so you don't have to worry about squeezing it out and getting it all over the place. So if my lash is lifting or whatever, I can just pop some of this on and I'm good to go. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the little to-go size. Spritz it on every 15 minutes when you're out. And then your makeup will be good all night long. Just kidding. Not every 15 minutes, but if I feel like it's been a while since I did my makeup and I want to make sure that it stays on, I'll just re-spritz, you know. What else? Oh, and if I do have to touch up my makeup, I like to bring just these 3 items. I don't like to carry like a whole makeup bag with me, but I like to bring Dermacol makeup cover. This is like one of my holy grail items. It is super pigmented, super full coverage, extremely easy to work with. It will cover up anything. So if your foundation's like kind of breaking up or whatever, I mean, if you can find your shade, because I don't think that they have a lot, which is unfortunate, but if you can find your shade, I think it's only like 12 bucks or something on Amazon. Highly suggest getting it. A little bit goes a really long way, and it is very easy to touch up, even if you've already powdered. The brush that I like to have on hand for that is this little miniature stippling brush. You can actually use this. It's a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for the Dermacol or you can use it with powder. This is the ColourPop Nofilter translucent powder. It's in my bag right now just because it's nice and small. Pop a little powder, extra powder under your eyes if you need to. You know, get in on the side of your nose, like blend out if your foundation's looking a little cakey or something. So this brush is amazing. This is my new absolute favorite thing in the entire world. This is pumpkin pie freaking chapstick, y'all. It smells exactly like pumpkin pie. Oh, we've got another lippy here. Actually, this is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is Lorimer by Atomic Makeup. One of my faves. Super glue. I wear a lot of, you know, fake nails, press-on nails, things like that. And you wanna have super glue just in case one pops off. This is the one that you want to use if you glue on nails. And this is just the one that you want to use in general. All other super glue, according to me, is trash and a waste of money. This is the one that you want to get. Earplugs, especially if you like going to concerts, and you know, just in case like you're in a hurry, you forget to bring them, just like toss an extra pair in your bag, and that way you can save your hearing for when you know, want to get up close to the front of the stage and stand right in front of the speaker and party and stuff. That concludes what's in my bag, you guys. Are you surprised? Is it what you were expecting? Let me know in the comments down below if you have the same stuff as me, or you know, comment something that you have to have in your bag no matter what, that's like a little unconventional, and I want to hear that in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.